So I want to clean up the animator today. I probably should have done this a long time ago. So here is our character and the animator. Make this big so we can see everything. All we're going to do is organize these individual states into sub-state machines. You can just think of them as groups that you can put states into. So here is a sub-state machine. I'm going to call it the 1, 2, 3 combo and the jumping punch. You can start dragging them in. So 1, 2, 3 combo, 1, 2, and 3. The jumping punch goes in there. If you double click on it, you can go inside and organize it a little more. So just make it look good or clean. Okay, I think that's good. So here is the sub-state 1, 2, 3 combo and the jumping punch. And we pretty much repeat the same process over and over again until this becomes clean. So this sub-state machine is going to be called jump normal. Drag them in. Jumping actions. Crouch idle, I'm going to leave this outside because it's not jumping, it's crouching. And inside jump normal, I'm going to further create a subset and call it ledge grab. So hanging idle, hang to crouch and goes into ledge grab. So jumping, you can see that it just has the prep and the jump, and you can go into ledge grab if you want to. And again, inside ledge grab, we hang, to crouch, and then exit the ledge grab. We also have jump running, or running jump, running. So running is something separate. So starting from jump running, drag them in. Okay. And then we have all these different things like forward roll, running turn, running slide. I'm going to group them into running transitions. So running turn, forward roll, running slide, they all come from running transitions. They all come from running. So put them into the same group. Something like this to visualize it. I'm leaving the flying kick outside because it's an attack. Everything inside the running transition is not an attack. Run to stop should also be in there. And these things I've created a long time ago for the Diablo select scene. We don't use it anymore. I'm just going to put them into a group called intro. Put them all in there. Okay. I guess jump normal landing could also be inside jump. So things are looking a little better. Let me create another state. Call it attacks or ground attacks. So flying kick, MMA kick, and the 1, 2, 3 combo, they're all ground attacks. We also have ground movement. So ground movement would be things like walking and running. So walking, running transitions, running. Crouch could also be part of the ground. I might have even more. Call it air movement. So jump normal and jump running goes under air movement. So does fall. Okay, I think this is pretty clean. For making additional transitions, you can right click, make transition, and left click on whatever substate machine that you would like to transition into, and then further choose exactly what state you want to transition to. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.